friends, welcome to our channel PVSK Education. Also subscribe PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Experiment, PVSK Cooking. Friends, today we are going to know about Operation Research. So Operation Research is an very important subject. So what is an Operation Research? Operation Research is an art and science. It is a science which deals with problem formulation, solutions, and finally appropriate decision making. It is most often used to analyze complex real life problems, typically with the goal of improving or optimizing performance. Operation research is a discipline that deals with the application of advanced analytical methods to help in make better and improved decision. It is a systematic study of basic structure, characteristic functions of and relations of ships of an organization and provides a basis to managers for improved decision making. So he is the father of Operation Research. Philip M. Morse was an American physicist, administrator, and pioneer of Operation Research. In World War II, he is considered to be the father of Operation Research in US. The next one, meaning of Operation Research. Operation Research means to use scientific and mathematical techniques for making decisions and solving problems. It is concerned with coordinating and controlling the operations or activities within an organization. Operation research is also known as decision science or management science. Unlike many other disciplines that focuses on technology, operation research is an interdisciplinary mathematical study that focuses on the effective use of technology by organizations. Operations research arrives at optimal or near optimal solutions to complex decision making problems by employing techniques like mathematical modeling, statistical analysis, and mathematical optimization. The next one, why operation research is important. Operation research is important because it is a helpful tool used to solve complex problems under uncertainty. Operation research techniques fill this void with methods that quantify issues and give business managers a better basis for making decisions. Operation research takes a scientific approach to best decide how to design and operate man-machine systems for industrial use. In other words, operation research deals with optimal resource allocation. Most of the actual work is done using analytical and numerical techniques that helps to develop and manipulate mathematical models of organizational systems. The next one, objectives of operation research. The central objective of operation research is optimization. That means to do things best under the given circumstances. So these are some objectives of operation research: decision making and its quality. It means for good decision making, for improved quality and optimum solution, identifying that means maximum solution, maximum output with minimum cost. And next one, integrating the system is combining the system with other ones, so minimizing the cost and maximize the system with less cost will get for maximum output. Improve the productivity, the production also good productivity will be improved. Success in competition and market leadership. In the competition, more success will be there by using this operation research. The main objectives of this operations is Next one, the techniques of operation research. These are the techniques of operation research: linear programming problem, transportation problem, sequencing, game theory, queuing theory, assignment problem, inventory control models, simulations. Next one, applications of operation research. So agriculture planning. Operation research techniques are useful in solving the problems of agriculture field, like problem land allocation, distribution of water from various resources, fertilizers, new techniques, allocation. Next one, in finance, budgeting and investment. In this modern times of economic crisis, operation research becomes very necessary for every government to have a careful planning using the operation research techniques. The problems may be maximization of per capita income, profit plans, best replacement policies, etc. in marketing. So these are with the help of operation research techniques, a marketing manager can decide the problem related to minimum per unit sale price, size of the stock to meet the future's demand. Next one, production management. Depends upon the operation research techniques. A production manager can decide about scheduling and sequencing of machines, select, locate and design the production plants in insurance sector. Operation research techniques also applicable in insurance sector to decide premium rates to various policies, optimum distribution of profits among policy holders, etc. And next one, data analysis and emergency and rescue operations, engineering, system designs and environmental management, etc. Many applications are there. These are some applications of operation research. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe PVSK Education. Also subscribe PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Experiment, PVSK Cooking. Friends, thank you for watching. Please subscribe